Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi everyone, it's Monique, and today I want to do a grocery haul. I am a soy-free, gluten-free, plant-based eater, and I eat this way due to my history of endometriosis and ovarian cysts, which I will make a separate video about in the future, letting you know my journey, how I found out about my health issues. But once I found out I had these health issues, I learned how to eat in order to heal myself and to lower the constant pain I was feeling. But a lot of people think that someone like me has nothing to eat, like we have no options. But the truth is, my options are limited. I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. So I want to share with you all, I want to start doing regular grocery hauls and share with you all what a soy-free, gluten-free, plant-based eater eats and how we grocery shop. So let's get started. So I buy a lot of kale every time I go grocery shopping. I use the dinosaur kale in my smoothies. I use either kale or spinach in my green smoothies every single time. I make practically the same two smoothies. Since I've started juicing and blending about in 2012, I've made almost the exact same two smoothies. And I'm going to do a video showing you my two favorite go-to smoothies. But kale is a staple ingredient, plus I just love kale. I bought this curly kale for a specific recipe. I want to make some spicy quinoa kale wraps with the yummy cashew and roasted red pepper dressing. So I might show you that. I want to do a what I ate in a day video, and that might be in that video. I also plan to share a video with you on how I store my fresh produce. These greens, I can keep them for 7 to 10 days easily because of a secret I've discovered that's amazing. It keeps your produce so fresh. So I can't wait to share that video with you as well. Please stay tuned for it, and you will stop wasting so much money with your green vegetables going bad after a few days. But I want the curly kale for the wraps and the dinosaur kale for my smoothies. And sometimes if I don't have anything to eat, I'll just saute some kale with garlic and eat it with rice. I just love sauteed kale. My red onions, that's also going in my wrap, the spicy quinoa kale wrap. I have tomatoes. I always buy ingredients for rice bowls. Rice bowls are the best cheap filling food you can buy if you're on a budget but you want something filling. Rice with some homemade pico de gallo, which I use the tomatoes and the red onions, and avocado. You'll be good. Some quinoa, yeah, I love it. Bananas, I buy a lot of bananas and I use those for one of my favorite smoothie recipes, which you'll see in another video, but I love my bananas. Some lemons, those are also for my smoothie. Zucchini, I'm going to peel the zucchini and use that in my cashew dressing. I always like to peel zucchini and put them in my homemade sauces and dressings because why not? You don't taste it. You might get a few extra nutrients, so why not? I always buy a few zucchini. What else do I have? So that's a lot of the produce. And I have pumpkin seeds, organic raw pumpkin seeds. And I like to put these in my oatmeal. And I'm working on a vegan like ground taco meat recipe, and I'm still experimenting, but I added pumpkin seeds to them the other day and it brought it to a whole new level. These are roasted unsalted peanuts. I love peanuts. I like to make homemade peanut butter, and it's really easy, especially if you have a Vitamix or any other type of high-speed blender. So I always like to have a few peanuts on hand, and I like to crush them and put them in my oatmeal. The other day I made peanut milk and then put it in a curry. It was amazing. I'm gonna do a recipe on that as well. I always have quinoa on hand. Quinoa is a staple for many vegans and many non-vegans. So there's just so many benefits to this. Eat your quinoa. Olives. I'm an olive fanatic. I always have olives in my refrigerator. These are Kalamata olives. And what are these? These are some Ibarra olives. I don't know how you pronounce that, Ibarra. But I love these olives. And I have another olive that I like as well, but I got those on Thrive. So you'll see that in my Thrive haul. They're my new favorite olives, actually. My favorite jam. Some of this stuff is already open because I couldn't wait until the video before I ate it. This is my favorite jam ever. Actually, not the raspberry one though. I like the strawberry one. But the brand is my favorite brand. If I could never find this brand of jam, then I probably would just make my own from scratch again. I've never seen any other brand of jam with such wholesome ingredients. What does this say? I don't know if you can see that. I'll read it to you. But it is red raspberries sweetened only with fruit juice concentrate, grape and dates, and fruit pectin. Like, this stuff is the real deal. No processed sugar. Yeah, I love it. It tastes amazing. Coconut cream. This is another staple. I will almost always have coconut cream or coconut milk in my refrigerator. I already opened it. That's why there's a rubber band on it. I actually made some coconut cream rice pudding last night because I was craving something sweet. I made it in 5 minutes. So I might share that recipe as well. 5-minute coconut cream rice pudding. It was amazing. And I put some of my pumpkin seeds, my pepitas, in the rice pudding, and it was good. Olive oil. I am not about that oil-free life. I use oil. I use olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil. I do cook with oil. I just know how to not go overboard with it. So I always have olive oil on hand. These are my new favorite sun-dried tomatoes. These are amazing. It's not just sun-dried tomatoes though, it's a blend. It's blended with olives and some red peppers. And yeah, I hope this brand never goes out of business. I don't know what I would do. I love them. And last but not least, I have my seasonings. This is green cardamom, some granulated garlic, hemp seeds. I use this in my green smoothies every day. Some broken cinnamon sticks. I like to grind these when I make my own seasonings for curries. This is Berber seasoning, which is a North African seasoning. It's really awesome. I have a recipe I'm gonna test. And some Berber pasta dish actually. I'll share it with you all. And cumin seeds. I love buying whole seeds and toasting them and then grinding them myself. That will always be superior in taste to buying pre-ground seasonings. So there you have it. My grocery haul. Everything that I bought from the grocery store and from Thrive is enough for 2 people to eat for the next week or so. So it's not too bad. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please leave me any questions or comments if you have any about the way I eat or the meals that I mentioned that I'm going to make with this. This isn't everything that I purchased for my groceries. I also get a few things from Thrive, and I plan on filming that video next. I'm going to do a Thrive haul, do a review because I just started using it, and I want to let you all know if I think it's worth the money, show you all what type of products they have on their website. So stay tuned for that. That will be the rest of the groceries that I bought for this grocery shopping period. So once again, I hope you liked the video, and please like it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.